Riwruoge mag Jopuonj kaonti mag Garissa kwayo piny owacho mondo kelnegi arita makare ma bang' japuonj achiel wito ngimane e monj ma tich abich kama chuk dara ariyo bende ne onegi e gweng' ma Wagadugu e kaonti ma Mandera. Jotelo mag NAT kod Kupeto kwedo paro mar keto jopuonjgi tesendo bila ka gikoni kanyo e mathothne ikuongo monji. Kane giloso nyasi mar dhialo somo Garissa gikoni piny owacho winjo ger ute mabeyo ne jopuonje ma ibiro bed ka irito kod obila. Komishona mar kaunti no bende okwayo jogweng' manyalo bedo koda maling'ling ewi jomonj ma rocho arita ma kor gwengego.
Hosted at the police station, and I think that's not fair enough. We must come up with a mechanism to see how best we can secure the life of our teachers. This should be a holistic issue, and it should have an holistic approach between the parents, the security agents, and the teachers, so that we see how best we, hata kama ni kufanya walimu walale ndani ya msikiti, we must see the best way how we can take care of the life of our teachers.
Please, we are not trained to handle ammunition. So when you tell teachers to go and seek refuge at a police camp, at a military camp, you are exposing us, because the international terrorist comes ready to die. And when he comes, if he's killed there, fine. But the teacher, we have come to discharge teaching mandate, not to engage them in a fight.
Kama hakuna amani, hii watoto hawatasoma. Na kama hawatasoma, then you all know what will happen to us as a society.
It is the responsibility of us all, tukiwa wasasi, tukiwa viongozi, kuhakikisha kwamba wale walimu ambao wamepelekwa katika sehemu hizo kufunza katika hiyo mashule wamepatiwa usalama ya kutosha. Na kwa hivyo katika Garissa County tumehakikisha kwamba hiyo usalama imetolewa, and we want to assure our teachers that they will be safe wherever they are.